The line. 3, 2, 1, go.
And we are off for qualification match number 12. Right out of the gate, Techfire lining up. They've got a hatch panel on the rocket for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, 5190 attempted to do the same for Red. We have a few seconds left. It's time for teleoperated period. 5190 going back to the human player station to grab another hatch panel. They're going to try to place it on the third level of the rocket. Meanwhile, we already have some defense from the Engineers crossing the center line, coming over to the blue side of the field, trying to make Techfire's lives really difficult in this match. Techfire has a hatch panel from their human player station. They're now trying to place it on their rocket. However, Engineers are playing some tough defense on them. On the other side of the field, the Blue Alliance is trying to do a mix of offense and defense. Cyber Blue 234 attempted to place a hatch panel. Now they're headed over to the red side of the field to play defense against the Green Hope Falcons, who have only placed one hatch panel on top of the rocket for Red. We have a minute and 20 seconds left in the match. Team Appreciate is making quick work of a rocket for the Red Alliance. They have all 6 hatch panels on and the top level done. Red Alliance needs that ranking point, and both alliances now are neck in neck thanks to some really tough defense from both alliances. Engineers continue to play defense on Techfire. Meanwhile, 7498 Wingus and Dingus is successful in placing a hatch panel on the bottom level of the rocket for Blue. 40 seconds remaining in this match. Engineers still playing defense up against Techfire. Meanwhile, Green Hope Falcons grabbing another hatch panel from the human player station and attempting to place it on the front of the airship for Red. They've got it. Meanwhile, Cyber Blue playing defense up against Team Appreciate, who needs one more cargo in the rocket. They've got it for the Red Alliance, cementing that ranking point with 15 seconds to spare. Engineers lining up for their level 3 climb. Meanwhile, Team Appreciate trying to get that level 2. 234 on Blue Alliance is lifted up. They're also trying to get a level 3 climb for the Blue Alliance. 2, 1.
Teams are invited to break down their driver's station while we're waiting for the score to come in. Go ahead and break down your driver's station.
And we have a score for match 12. It's the Blue Alliance putting up a score of 80-77. Only a 3-point difference between these two teams. The Blue Alliance won with 3 ranking points, while the Red Alliance unfortunately fell behind, but still were able to earn a ranking point. A little bit of a mixed bag in terms of how that affected the results. 225 moving down in the rankings, Wingus and Dingus staying where they are, and Cyber Blue moving up. Meanwhile, Engineers and Team Appreciate are sliding down in the rankings for the Red Alliance.